So the finish, I took some yellow and we try to match the color kind of closely and just paint these, and you go, well, that doesn't match. Well, I'm going to show you how to make it match. And you'll see when this frame is done, it will look like nothing ever happened to it. So now what I've got is I've got a little swipe here of solvent paint, and I dab into this, and that will knock down that goldy gold, you know, that sort of to make it look a little bit more tarnished, to make it look the same age. And that's how you do it, because you'll never find the right gold to go in there. And then the last step will be doing a gilded wax over this. And it's going to look great. It's going to look like it was never destroyed. That's it. If you liked this video, like, comment, or subscribe. Send me an email. Call me up. Thank you.